Palm oil doesn't just appear. It starts here. Harvested by hand, straight from nature. Processed using traditional methods. To extract the rich, natural oil.
This is the palm oil production process from this, all the way to where we cook, from cooking down to processing.
Even the kernel is used for multiple products. From our farm to your home, the Happy Hoe.